Let's make a delicious, crispy and cheesy Pappad stuffed eggs. So first heat oil and add some onions and green chilies. Saute for a minute, then add ginger garlic, salt and turmeric. Saute for around 2 minutes. Then add red chilli, garam masala and pepper powder. Mix it well. Later add some tomato, ketchup and mix it up again. Then add our main ingredient, that's eggs. Mix it up really well into a bhurji. Add some salt if required. Later garnish it with some coriander leaves and keep it aside. Then take a pappad, dip it in water, top it up with some egg bhurji along with mozzarella cheese if required. Roll and pack the pappad as shown and fry them in oil on either side for around 5 to 6 minutes. And you have your crispy and cheesy egg stuffed pappad rolls ready to be relished. So do give this recipe a try.